Hello and welcome to the Full Octane Garage, and today's topic is going to be changing the battery in the remote control of your GMC Sierra. This is for the remote that is a keep it in your pocket wireless remote. So this is the one, if you have to actually pull a key out and put a key in your truck, this is not the remote you're going to be looking at. Hello and welcome to the Full Octane Garage, and today's topic is going to be how to change the battery in your General Motors 2019 to 2022 General Motors pickup truck. This one happens to be for a GMC. I believe the Chevrolets are going to be the same way. So what you're going to need is you're going to need your key fob. You're going to need potentially a small screwdriver to pick the battery out, and you're going to need a CR 2032 battery. I'm having some symptoms where when I get in the truck it doesn't recognize my key. It's not giving me a low battery indicator, but I have to kind of hit the key a couple times, then remembers the key and it actually starts the truck. So we're going to fix that problem today. So stick with us. We'll get right to it. Okay, so here's what you're going to do. There's going to be a small button on the side of your remote, and this is to remove the key that's actually in your remote. So you're going to push that little button and it releases the key. Now inside the remote, you're going to notice that if you hold the remote with the buttons in a downward fashion, there's a small groove in here that the key will fit in. And in that small groove, what you're going to do is you're going to stick the key in there and you're going to twist it. And you're going to twist it until the actual remote starts opening up like this. And then you're going to kind of put it in there and pry the remote up. And what that's going to do is allow you to open the back side of this particular remote. And you'll notice that there the battery is. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to get a small screwdriver and you're going to put it kind of in the edge of the battery and just twist it a little bit. And when you twist it, the battery is going to pop up and come out. You're going to notice that the positive side goes down. So you're going to take your new battery and you're also going to put the positive side down, pop it back in, and then what you're going to do is take your remote, and I'm going to clean mine off a little bit because it's a little dusty and grimy. And then you're going to actually put the bottom of the remote in, you're going to clip it in, and then squeeze the remote and put everything back into place. And now your remote is done, with the exception of putting your key back in. When you put your key back in, it's going to go back in, snap in, and that's all it takes to change your remote battery. Like I said, these are a CR 2032. You can get them on Amazon. I would recommend doing something like a Duracell. We've tried the Amazon batteries. They don't seem to last that long. So, pretty simple process. Thanks for being with us at the Full Octane Garage. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tell your friends about all the cool content that we're making. Hello and welcome to the Full Octane Garage, and today's topic is going to be changing the battery in your remote for a